एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द टीचिंग सेंटर। टीचिंग सेंटर में आप लोग का स्वागत है। तो चलिए हम आज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन का डे 2। तो डे 2 में हम सीखेंगे कुछ सिंपल और स्लो वर्ड जो इजी वे में आप अपने डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं, वो वर्ड को हम आज फिर से प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे। हम क्या करेंगे, इंग्लिश में कुछ बोलेंगे। आप लोग को क्या करना है, आप लोग को बस ध्यान से केयरफुली एक साथ सुनना है और उसको रिपीट करना है। बस इतना करना है, मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है। देखिए, किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए वैसे तो 3 चीज़ जरूर होता है। एक तो होता है लिसनिंग, दूसरा होता है प्रैक्टिस, तीसरा होता है छोटे छोटे वर्ड ही बोले, एक ही वर्ड बोले लेकिन बोलने का प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको। तो जब तक अगर कोई भी लैंग्वेज बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करिएगा, बोलिएगा नहीं, तब तक कोई भी लैंग्वेज दुनिया का सीख नहीं सकते हैं। तो इसीलिए हम क्या करें, एक लॉन्च किए हैं प्रैक्टिस सेशन, जिसमें क्या है इंग्लिश आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस कराए जाएंगे। हम इंग्लिश में बोलने का, आप लोग को क्या करना है, ध्यान से सुनना है और उसको रिपीट करना है। तो आज हमारा इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 2 है। तो चलिए आज स्टार्ट करते हैं डे 2 का इंग्लिश। ठीक है। माय नेम इज MD नूनू। आई एम सो हैप्पी यू आर हेयर विद मी टुडे। Today we have a very important and excited session. We will learn how to talk about ourselves in English. This may sound simple, but it's one of the best way to start English speaking with confidence. When you talk about yourself, you use English that is real, personal, and useful. You talk about your name, your age, your birth date, your life, your memories. These are words that come. That's why they are easy to remember. And when you talk about yourself, you feel stronger. You feel proud. You feel like, yes, I can speak English. So today is your chance. Your chance to speak, practice English. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be good. All you need is a little time, a little courage, and a voice that say I can do it. And guess what? Yes, you can. I will help you. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will repeat the sentence for you to follow. You will have to time to think and time to speak. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid. Don't give up. Every time you speak, you learn. Every time you try, you grow. Step by step, word by word. You are becoming a real English speaker. So get ready. Take a deep breath or a smile and let's start this amazing journey together. Let's talk about yourself one sentence at a time. Let's begin. Let's talk about names. I will say a sentence. You listen, then repeat after me. Take your time. You can do it. My name is MD. My name is MD नूनू. मेरा नाम MD नूनू है. MD से भी बोल सकते हैं हम, ठीक है. My first name is MD. Repeat. My first name is MD. My family नेम्स. अब उसके बाद जो आपका फैमिली नेम है वो आप दे सकते हैं. बट माई फादर्स कॉल मी MD नूनू. बट माई फादर्स कॉल मी MD नूनू. I like it when he called me MD. I like it when he calls me MD. It feels warm. It feels special. It feels special. Now you, what is your name? Say it out loud. What does your family call you? Do you have a nickname? You can say my name is. उसके बाद आप अपना नाम लगा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट. My family name is. उसके बाद आप अपना फैमिली नाम मेंशन करना है, यानी इंक्लूड करना है. My friends call me. जैसे मेरा फ्रेंड कॉल मी वाले मुझे MD करके बुलाता है. My friends call me MD. Well done. You are speaking English and that's amazing. Let's talk your age. How old are you? How old are you? Say it out loud. I am 23 years old. Let's say it again slowly. I am 23 years old. I am 23 years old. Perfect. Now say your real age. आप अपना रियल बोल सकते हैं. I am 23 years old. इसके जवाब पे आप अपना एज लगा सकते हैं. Nice work. Now let's ask another question. When you born? When were you born? I was born in 2000. I was born in 2000. ऐसे आप अपना एज लगा सकते हैं. Now you say your real age. I was born in. उसके जवाब पे आप अपने जन्म के स्थान लगा सकते हैं. Great job. Let's put it all together. I am 23 years old. I was born in 2000. जैसे इसमें 20 बोले तो 20 में वैसे 25 साल हो जाते हैं, लेकिन वैसे मेरी एज हम एग्जाम्पल लिए, मेरी एज अभी 23 है तो इसलिए हम 23 बोले हैं. जैसे आपके जो एज हो सकते हैं उसके हिसाब से आप बोल सकते हैं. 2 हो या 2004 हो, 5 हो, जो हो आप अपने हिसाब से लगा सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. हम अपने हिसाब से चेंज किए हैं. ठीक है, तो ओके स्टार्ट करते हैं आगे. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is, जैसे जो मंथ है उसके बाद बोल सकते हैं, जैसे जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. My birthday is, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं जैसे जनवरी. My birthday is जुलाई. Try now. आप देखिए उस जगह पे मान के रखिए, हो सकता है जनवरी में कोई डेट हो, परफेक्ट डेट हो, तो उस डेट को भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम एक डेट चूज करते हैं, जैसे माय बर्थडे इज ऑन 1 जनवरी, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. You're doing great. You're doing great. You just answered real question in English about yourself. That's powerful. That's progress. That's powerful. That's progress. Take a breath and a smile. स्माइल के साथ जवाब दीजिए. Let's keep going when you are ready. I feel young. I feel young. I feel young. Sometimes I feel like a teenager. Sometimes I feel like a teenager. Other times I feel older. Repeat. Other times I feel older. But age is just a number. Repeat. Age is just a number. Now, let's talk about childhood. Childhood memory. When I was a child, I loved cartoon. When I was a child, I loved cartoon. I used to play outside every day. I used to play outside every day. I had a bike. I rode it everywhere. I had a bike. I rode it everywhere. My childhood was simple and happy. Repeat. My childhood was simple and now it's your turn. When I was a child, I like to. उसके बाद अपना लगा सकते हैं जो बोलना चाह रहे हैं. What did you love to do? What did you do love? Did you like football? Did you like cricket? Did you play with friends? Did you play with friends? Say it now. When I was a child, I like to. जैसे उसकी जगह पे कार्टून या क्रिकेट जो बोल सकते हैं. These are your real memories in English. That's real learning. That's real English. Let's go back in time. Back to countryside. Back to the countryside. Back to a simple, peaceful life. I grew up in a small village. In a small village. There were trees, field and fresh air. Repeat. There were trees, fields and fresh air. No noise, no traffic, just natural. No noise, no traffic, just natural. As a child, I wake up early. As a child, I wake up early. I heard birds outside my window. I heard birds outside my window. I helped to my mom in the kitchen. I helped my mom in the kitchen. I fed the chicken. I fed the chicken. Sometimes I ran in the fields. I play with my cousin. Repeats. I ran in the fields. I play with my cousin या ब्रदर सिस्टर कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं या फ्रेंड इसकी जगह पर. लाइफ वाज सिंपल. लाइफ वाज सिंपल बट इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. बट इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. Let me tell you a story from my childhood. It's a funny story, but I was scared at the time. I was 7 years old. Repeat. I was 7 years old. I lived in a countryside. I lived in the countryside. We had chicken, sheep, and one goat. We had one goat. Every afternoon, my father told me, take a goat outside, let he eat grass. So I took goat the field. I sat on a rock. I sat on a rock. I looked at the sky. I looked at the sky. It was peaceful. It was peacefully. It was peacefully. But after 10 minutes, I looked around and the goat was gone. The goat was gone. I ran. I shouted. I ran. I shouted. Where are you? I looked behind tree. I looked near the river. I looked behind tree. I looked near the river. I was scared. I was scared. I thought my dad will be so angry. Repeat. I thought my dad will be so angry. Repeat. Finally, I saw her. The goat was sleeping under a big tree. Repeating. I smiled. I held the rope and I walked home. When my dad saw me, he laughed. He said, "You are learning." Repeat. You are learning. It was a small things, but I still remember it. It was part of my childhood. It was part of growing up. Now do you have a memory like that? Sometimes a small but a special. I think about it, then try to say it in English. Now let's talk about my childhood dream. I was a small boy, but my dream was so big. I didn't have much, but I had hope. I didn't have much, but I had hope. I had imagination. I repeat. I had hope. I had imagination. And I had my mom. She always listened to me. Repeat. She always listened to me. I used to say, "Mom, one day I will travel. Mom, I will learn English. Mom, I will help people." And she smiled. She looked with me and love. She said, "I believe in you. I believe in you." Every time I spoke about my dream, I felt stronger. I felt like it was real. Repeat. I felt like it was real. And now I still remember that little boy, the one with a start, the one who believed anything was possible. Anything is possible. Now did you have a dream when you were little? Did you talk about it with someone? Did you talk about it with someone? With your mom? With a friend? Say it now in English. Even one sentence. It's your story and it's matter. You are learning, you are growing, and your dream is still alive. Now, let's talk about hobbies. Things you love to do in your free time. Things you love to do in your free times. I love quiet moment. I love quiet moment. I love doing things that make me smile. Repeat. I love doing things that make me smile. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. Repeat. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. When I read or travel to other worlds, I learn new things. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel calm when I read. I also enjoy drawing. I also enjoy drawing. I am not a great artist, but I draw for fun. Repeat. I am not a great artist, but I draw for just. Sometimes I listen to soft music while drawing. Repeat. Sometimes I listen to soft music while drawing. I also like walking in nature. Just walking, breathing, thinking. I like walking in nature. I feel fresh. I feel light. I feel like myself. Repeat. I feel fresh. I feel like myself. Now, what do you enjoy doing? Do you like music? Do you like music? Do you enjoy sports? Do you love reading, drawing, cooking? Say it out loud. My favorite hobbies is, उसके बाद अपना हॉबीज लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. I love to, उसके बाद जो आप जिससे आप प्यार करते हैं वो लगा सकते हैं. I love music जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है. ओके. You are not just learning English. You're using it to talk about yourself, and that's powerful. Let's keep going. You're doing beautiful. Now let's talk about my study journey, step by step. I grew up in the countryside. Life was simple, but not always easy. Repeat करते हैं. Life was simple, but not always easy. We didn't have many books. We didn't have the internet. But we had hope. But we had hope. I loved school. I loved school. I loved reading. I loved reading. I loved writing. I loved writing. I studied every day. I studied every day. Even when I was tired. Even when I had to help at home. My mom said, one day we will be someone. And I believed her. And I believed her. At the end of primary school, I got the highest grade in my village. Repeat. I got the highest grade in my village. Because of that, I moved to the city to study. Because of that, I moved to the city to study. It was hard, but it was my chance. Repeat. It was my chance. In the city, everything is new. New people, new teacher, new rules. New peoples, new teacher, new rules. But I didn't stop. I kept studying. I worked hard. In high school, I chose literature. I loved English. I wanted to speak it. I wanted to teach it. I remember the day I passed the exam. I remember the day I passed the exam. I cried. My mom cried. Repeat. I passed. I cried. My mom cried. Then I went to university. I studied English every day. I studied English every day. I gave a small lesson to my friends and my brothers. I gave a small lesson to my friends and brothers. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. After years of work, I became a teacher. After years of work, I became a teacher. Repeat. I became an English teacher. I was proud. Not because it was easy, but because I didn't give up. Not because it was easy, but because I didn't give up. Repeat. I didn't give up. I didn't eat, and I so can you. Yes, you. Even if life is hard, even if the road is long. You can do it step by step. Keep learning, keep going, and never stop believing in yourself. You did a great job today. You spoke about yourself. You used real English. You practiced with me and you didn't give up. Keep repeating this sentence every day. You feel more confidence. You speak more confident. Remember, every word you say is progress. Every sentence makes you stronger. Thank you so much for listening. You are amazing. I believe in you. See you in the next speak. ठीक है, तो मिलते हैं अगले लेसन में, अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं डे 3 में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप लोग इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और हमारे चैनल को जितना से ज़्यादा हो सके आगे बढ़ाइएगा और शेयर कीजिएगा। और अगर कुछ इसमें आप लोग को अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है या कुछ आप लोग बात करना चाहते हैं या कोई टॉपिक पे स्पेशली वीडियो चाहते हैं तो आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। तो मिलते हैं इंग्लिश डे प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 3 में फिर से मिलते हैं। ठीक है, तो बाय बाय।